morning, students. So in the previous class we have discussed about pair of linear equations in two variables. The standard form of a pair of linear equations in the two variables is given by a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, or you can write in this way also. So a1x plus b1y is equal to minus c1, both are same. Next another one, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, or this can be written as a2x plus b2y is equal to minus c2. Yes, I told you in yesterday class, pair of linear equations in two variables can be solved in four different methods. So first one, graphical method. First method. So second method, substitution method. So third one, very important, elimination method. Then fourth one, cross multiplication method. But in examination, definitely you get one question on graphical method, carries 4 marks, no doubt. Next, maybe substitution or elimination or cross multiplication. Among these three, sometimes they will ask any two or maybe one guarantee question. Now, graphical questions, I told you, I will explain in the classroom because graph sheets are required for this. Now, before going to start 4 methods, the very important thing is, first you have to check whether the given pair of equations having a solution or not. So sometimes lines may be intersect. If the lines are intersecting each other, then you can say that it is having exactly one solution. Maybe sometimes parallel, then we can say that it has no solution. Then finally, coincident means we can say that it has infinitely many solutions. Yes, the question is how to check all these three important points. Okay, let's see one by one. First one, intersecting lines. First point, intersecting lines. Yes, intersecting lines. Yes, intersecting lines, also called as consistent. Intersecting lines is also called consistent. Yes, very important. Please don't neglect this. Before going to find the solution, first you have to check if the lines are consistent or intersecting lines. Yes, what is the condition? So that is very important. So how can you find the given equations intersecting each other or not? Yes, the method is, let's consider two equations, x minus 2y is equal to 0. Yes, equation number 2, that is 3x plus 4y, yes, plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. The main thing is, first you have to convert the given equations in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 or not. That is very important. Yes, first you have to check. As first equation, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Equation number 2, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now you compare the given equations. Yes, compared to given equations, I mean the standard form of pair of linear equations. Now we write one by one. So which implies, yes, what is the value of a1? A1 means, listen carefully, a1 means coefficient of x. Here what is the coefficient of x? Not there. Not there means that is understood 1. So the value of a1 is equal to 1. What is the value of b1? b1 is the coefficient of y. Coefficient of y, that is minus 2. What is the value of c1? c1 not there here, so taking as a 0. Next, compare these two now. a2, what is the value of a2? That is also coefficient of x in the second equation, that is 3. What is the value of b2? Coefficient of y in the second equation, that's plus 4. What is the value of c2? Yes, that is constant value, so minus 20. Yes, writing these values are very important. Yes, today's class is very important point of your examination. I repeat once again. Now we are going to check about intersecting lines. If it is intersecting lines, the equations are to be consistent. In examination, they will give, check whether the pair of linear equations are consistent or not. You have to do in this way. First, note down the equations and compare to the standard form of pair of linear equations. First equation, x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to, compare this, write a1 value, b1 value and c1 value. Next, similarly second also, write a2 value, b2 value and c2 value. Now, very important, find the value of a1 by a2. What is the value of a1? 1. What is the value of a2? That is divided by 3. The value of a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3. Next, check the second one. So b1 by b2 is equal to minus 2 by 4. Yes, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Its value is minus 1 by 2. Next, finally, c1 by c2. c1 by c2, that is 0 divided by minus 20. So 0 by anything is 0. I repeat once again. First note down all the values. Then you find one by one. a1 by a2, 1 by 3, b1 by b2, minus 2 by 4, that is minus 1 by 2, c1 by c2, that is 0 by minus 20, that is 0. As what we are observing here, as only you take, no problem. Yes, this one not required, this one not required. So these two compulsory. As which implies as a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. What is the value of a1 by a2? 1 by 3. What is the value of b1 by b2? Minus 1 by 2. Is these two are equal? No, that's not equal. Yes, this is very important. Okay, right. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Why? Because the value of a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. How these two are equal? No, these two are unequal. I mean, the condition is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. That is very important. So this is the condition for intersecting lines. Yes, what is the condition for intersecting lines? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then you can say that these two, equations are intersecting lines. So intersecting line means that is graphical representation. Yes, graphical representation. That is intersecting lines. We will discuss at the time of graph. Intersecting lines. Yes, this is the graphical representation. What about algebraic representation? Algebraic representation. Yes, algebraic representation means find the solution by using remaining three methods, either substitution or elimination or cross multiplication. This is graphical representation, intersecting lines. So intersecting lines means, for example, yes, like this. This is first line, this is another line. So this is the point of intersection. Intersecting. What about algebraic expression? Exactly, it has exactly one solution. exactly one solution. One solution means we can find the x and y values. Exactly one solution. Only as one value of x satisfies this, both the equation, and one value of y satisfies both the equation. So we can say that it has exactly only one solution. Then we can say that the equations, pair of equations are consistent. This is very, 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 very important. Then the pair of equations are consistent. If the lines are intersecting each other, then the pair of equations, we can say that consistent. Okay, na? If the lines are intersecting each other, we can say consistent. Intersecting algebraic representation, it has exactly one solution. As the condition is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we can say that the lines are intersecting each other. It has exactly only one solution. Then one solution, or we can say unique solution also. Yes, unique solution. Unique solution means only one value of x and y satisfies the both the equation. Then we can say that the consistent, these equations are consistent pair of linear equations. Consistent pair. Yes, this is about the first point, that is intersecting lines. Okay, let's see second one. Second one, yes, this is very important. Second point, case number 2. Yes, consider second case. Yes, note down equations. 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. Another equation, 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0. Yes, this is the condition for S. Second one, first one intersecting lines. So this is condition for second one, that is coincident lines. Coincident lines. Coincident lines. Next, write down comparing these two with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Second equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Note down the values. What is the value of a1? 2. What is the value of b1? 3. What is the value of c1? Minus 9. What is the value of a2? 4. What is the value of b2? That is 6. What is the value of c2? That is minus 9. So as usual, find one by one. So which implies find the value of a1 by a2, that is equal to 2 by 4. What is the value of 2 by 4? 1 by 2. Next, second one, b1 by b2. Find the value of b1 by b2, 3 by 6. The value is also equal to 1 by 2. Then finally find the value of c1 by c2, that is equal to minus 9 divided by minus 80. Minus gets cancels, 9 1 ja, 9 2 ja. So the value of this one is also equal to 1 by 2. Yes, right here, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is also equal to c1 by c2. Yes, we got all three ratios same values, that is 1 by 2. Then we can say that the very important thing is algebraic representation. Algebraic representation or algebraic representation as coincident lines. Algebraic representation, coincident lines. Then, sorry, this is geometric representation. Geometric, not algebraic. So geometric representation, coincident lines. Then algebraic representation, algebraic representation, algebraic representation of these lines infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. So these two are very important. Yes, coincident line is just I will show. What is the meaning of coincident? Yes, for example, this is line number 1. Yes, what about line number 2? Yes, exactly the same line. Yes, one over the other, one over the other. The graph of both equations is like this one. Same line. Then it is called as coincidence. Yes, this is first graph. And again on the line, we get the second graph, that is second equation. Yes, this is called as coincident. Coincident. So algebraic representation, infinitely many solution. We cannot find the solution. Infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution. Then graphical representation, coincident lines. So this is the case number 2, coincident lines. It has infinitely many solution. Then you can say that again, the pair of equations are dependent or as consistent. So second condition also called as consistent. Intersecting lines consistent. Coincident lines is also consistent or a dependent pair of equations. So this is case number 2. What is the case number 2? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. The algebraic representation, infinitely many solution, graphical, coincident lines. What about solutions? Infinitely many solutions. No need to find. First use a condition. I told you, before going to find the solutions, first you have to check whether the equations having solutions or not. I mean A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, these two are equal. Then we can say that coincident lines. So first one, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then we can say that intersecting lines. In this case, the equations are consistent and it has exactly one solution. Now, third case, case number 3 now. First case, intersecting lines. So second case, coincident lines. So case number 3 now. Again consider pair of linear equations, x plus 2y, x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is first equation. And another one, 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Again as usual, comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Next a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Note down the values. The value of a1 1. What is the value of b1 2. c1 value minus 4. What is the value of a2 2. What is the value of b2 4. What is the value of c2 minus 12. Now we check one by one. Yes. What is the value of a1 by a2? a1 by a2, that is 1 by 2. What is the value of b1 by b2? 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Next finally, c1 by c2, that is minus 4 divided by minus 12, gets cancels. 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja. Yes. Very important, a1 by a2 is same as b1 by b2, but is not equal to c1 by c2. Very important. First two are equal and third one unequal. I mean a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by, is equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. Then we can say that, so geometrical representation or graphical representation, anyone you can say, no problem. Yes. Parallel lines, very important. Parallel lines. So parallel line means like this. So how can you find the solution? No solution. Intersecting is exactly one solution. Coincident, infinitely many solutions. Parallel, no solution. So algebraic representation. Algebraic representation, yes, it has no solution. Very important. no solution. Yes, the first case a1 by a2, yes, first case a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 intersecting lines. Second case a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. We can say that inconsistent. I mean, yes, coincident lines. So third one, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Parallel lines, so no solution. So this is very important. Then in this case, the lines are, yes, very important. Lines are inconsistent. In which case the lines are consistent? In two cases. First case, intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, intersecting lines and coincident. Coincident. In these two cases, yes, consistent. Consistent. Next, yes, parallel. Parallel. Then you can say inconsistent. Yes, this is very important point. Okay, consistent means we have two cases. Intersecting, exactly one solution. Coincident, infinitely many solutions. Parallel, no solution. The lines are called as inconsistent lines. Okay, so this is about today's class. So next class completely I will make a table and I will write all the points. Okay, next after that we will go through exercise questions. This is about a very important class. Watch the video very carefully and note down all these points. Okay, thank you.